All right, we're playing some Funan. Who knew? Who knew I would play this? I put in $60, $3.52 bet, and got the bonus pretty quickly. We're gonna go with 10 cents. And I got it naturally without the babies. So let's see if those babies could come out. Come on, babies. Oh, we want the foo, foo, foo. Oh, come on. One time, all the way across. Last spin. Oh, Funan. Foo-foo. Poo-poo baloo blue. $62 on a $3.52 bet. Oh, and it spun my next spin. Funan. Funan. All right, we're at Jackson Casino tonight, and we're gonna play some Rising Fortunes. I just put my ticket in for $500.06.
I'm here, honey.
The Dancing Drums has a huge glare behind me. Check that one, honey, and see if there's a big glare too. Okay, so I do see the Dancing Drums glare behind me, but we're still gonna give this one a go.
Bet?
Oh, I just realized you could do funky bets on these. Let's try out some funky bets.
Huh?
I'm not sure if they're gonna work. Let's try out some funky bets. So let's see, we have the little doilies and the chocolate fountains at ×10 right now. Oh. Oh, come on. 6. Slot Hubby calls them pesos. They're definitely not pesos. Oh, look at that. That would have been huge. Worked out not bad since we're doing the ×10. Oh, okay. Nice. Keep going. Oh, I think one more at the end would have been a nice payout. So again, we're doing the 2 gold symbols ×10. That's how we get the $1.80 bet on this. All right, let's switch over to a regular bet. So 5 gold symbols, and let's try the $1.76 bet.
You go to 880?
No, I just switched it to $1.76, back to normal. lot closed. 30 bucks. Nice.
I love the turtles.
I was gonna say, do you remember that's your favorite? Okay. Pick away, Hubster. The mini is 10, the minor is 25, the major is 5,648, grand is 28,000. Oh my gosh, honey, come on. Oh geez.
Every time.
Now I'm gonna have to call you the orange. I'm gonna call you my little orange booty.
Orange booty.
Orange booty. But just like that, it put us right below even. I started with 500, so we'll keep going a little bit more here.
A little bit. We gotta get ourselves a big, huge bonus.
Well, I wasn't really feeling the bonus, but we'll see. Maybe it will. Or maybe you'll get a bunch of your turtles. That was not bad. Oh! Huh? Really? Is that where we're going now? You have a big, huge line hit when I'm in the bathroom on a different game. And that's where we're going with this now.
Well, I think that's the simple that I did.
That was a different game. You are such a brat. Oh my gosh, go on. You really are. Oh, 1776. Yes, please. Oh, turtles, turtles, turtles.
Somebody keeps throwing it. That's not real. That's just Las Vegas.
All right, come on.
I'm on, baby.
Oh, oh, I thought we had your turtles, honey. We're still almost even though. We just need that bonus. Oh, nice. Now we're up. Bonus time. Wow, okay. All right, since we're still up or even, let's try some 264.
You're gonna get no back for me?
Yeah, I don't figure you're gonna tell me no. Oh,
2664.
no. Oh, aces. Hey, don't be shaming those aces. We'll take it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's a $26 one there. Yeah, so far. it doesn't like 264.
The other slot was good.
Oh my gosh, dog it. Oh, come on.
Give us chocolate fountain.
Oh yeah, I do too. All right, a couple more. $0.24. Nobody wants to see no 24 cents on those. Oh, come on now. Oh, we needed a turtle, honey. Oops, I wanted to stop at 440. There we go.
Turtle.
All right, last spin to give it to us, Rising Fortunes. No. Close pot? Nope. All right, cashing out 441 on Rising Fortune.
Well, Slot Queen just went to the bathroom. I sat down to play, and on an 88-cent bet, I just smoked it. $240 line hit. That's crazy. On an 88-cent bet. She is going to be a happy camper when she comes out of the bathroom. Oh wait, should I go cash this in and take the money and hide this video? That I might do. Holy cow.